Hi guys, it's me Ryan here. I hope you're well. I'm about to show you an absolute awesome video of what gun you should be using right now in Warzone. If you've been keeping up to date with the patch changes and the weapon balancing and stuff like that, and there has been a lot, so you will be forgiven if you have not been able to keep up with them, then you will know that the Krig, which was the meta, which would laser beam people, it had very, very little recoil, has had a major nerf to the point now where it's pretty much unusable. However, in that change, the AK47, the Cold War version of it, got a silent buff to its recoil, which changed its recoil pattern drastically, and we're now at the point where the AK-47 is now the long-range meta in Warzone. Now, what you're about to see is me drop a 16-kill solo Warzone win where I barely leave the salt mine area. I use the AK up close, I use it at range, and I pair it with a Mac-10 with the build that we all know and love. It's just the meta build. If you don't know that by now, there's plenty of videos out there which will show you the meta build. And basically, we just fry out with it. And we even have technical difficulties at the end of the video as we're in the final circle, which just adds to the pressure. However, we get the dub in the end, and it is just a great showcase of how good this weapon actually is. Stick around to the end of the video as well, where I'll show you the full build of what you want to be running on this AK-47. And if you do enjoy it, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you all next time.
You bitch your mother.
I don't even hear a thing. Motherfucker.
Mais bam.
Oh.
Gas is moving. Enemy launched an advanced UAV. Target down. Well done.
Let's go.
Requesting area recon.
Strike incoming. UAV entering the AO. Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Marking waypoint.
For resupply.
I can hear him. I can hear him. Roger, he's fucking dead silence. Go.
Still here. Still standing.
UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
go. Ooh. Easy, easy, easy. What floor you on? Oh shit, he's there.
Bounty target is down. Well done.
Shit. Let's go.
When I'm dead.
Let's go.
Loadout
Recon's
drop
inbound.
UAV entering the AO.
Make for target location.
Time's up. Objective failed. Be advised, UAV is bingo
Coordinates
fuel. RTB for resupply.
Let's go. I'm not asking. I'm not really fucking
We need recon here.
UAV entering the AO.
Marking waypoint.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply. Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
0.
There's work to do.
Gas is inbound.
Rally on that vehicle.
Only 5 remain. Finish the job.
Oh, good spot. Oh, let's go. Shit, no, 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 not now, not now, not now. Come on, not now, not now, not now, come on.
Mark target for
Gas
airstrike.
is inbound.
This is Striker 3-1, good copy. Strike inbound. No hits on that run.
No, 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 I'm not choking that. Let's go!
That's a win. You took what was
Woo! Let's fucking go! Okay guys, so this is the build that you're going to want to be using on the AK-47. It's mainly pretty much the same as the rest of the Cold War assault rifles as they transfer into Warzone. You want the Grew Suppressor, which obviously keeps you off enemy radar, it helps you control recoil, it improves the bullet velocity, it does hinder aim down sight time, however that's not something you want to worry about. And then you've got the Spetsnaz RPK barrel, once again improves bullet velocity, really improves that time to kill massively. Same again with the recoil control. Then you want the Spetsnaz grip to bring that recoil control again, once again back under control. Then you want the 45 round mag. Now you might not know this, but all of the Cold War assault rifles in Warzone, if you put on one of the speed mags, it hinders aim down sight time. But the time to kill on this gun is so quick and it is so powerful that all you really need is the 45 round mag. It's very much a throwback to the prime AMAX days. That was a 45 round mag. We all know how quickly that killed people, and so this is the same for this AK. And then, as always, on the area alarms ×3.